In this video, I am going to show you how to use a free keyword research tool to know what your viewers are searching for. This will enable you to run your YouTube videos. The best way to get consistent views for your videos is to do a keyword research. This means knowing what your viewers are searching for. If you are new here, please like this video and hit that notification button and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. Keywords are the foundation of search engine optimization. If nobody is searching for what you are writing about in your YouTube videos, you won't get enough engagement in your videos. Keywords research is the process of undertaking the words your target viewers use when searching for your videos and content. It involves analyzing and comparing the best keywords opportunities for your YouTube channel. Keyword research is the only way to figure out what viewers are typing in your YouTube search. You need to know this to avoid creating content about things that nobody is searching for in YouTube. Now you are wondering, how do you do this keyword research? Keyword research starts with thinking about how potential viewers might be searching for your YouTube video. You can then use keyword research tools to expand on those ideas and find even more keywords. Once you have keyword research tool you are going to use, you need to brainstorm the broad or the seed keywords. The seed or the broad keywords are the foundation of the keyword research process. They define your niche and help you identify your competitor. Every keyword research tool asks for a seed keyword, which it then uses to generate a huge list of keyword ideas. If you already have an idea of the video you want to create that you want to rank well on YouTube, coming up with a seed keyword is very easy. Just think about what people type into YouTube to find what your video is all about. Usually, one word or two words can be used as a seed keyword. Their primary purpose is to act as a base or a starting point to give YouTube algorithm a better idea of what your content is all about. Ahrefs is a free YouTube keyword tool that helps you to get more views on YouTube by researching keywords viewers are searching for. It generates thousands of relevant keyword ideas for your videos. Never run of content ideas again. Enter any broad topic into Keyword Explorer to see thousands of relevant keywords ideas in seconds. You can then apply the keywords in your titles, description. So use your keyword search to run your videos. Once you open the YouTube keyword tool, you can now enter the seed or the broad keyword. Then you can specify the country where you want to base your search from. For example, you can state, for example, the USA, and then you enter your keyword and then search. To give you many different options, where now those options or those keywords, you can use it in your YouTube videos. For example, in your YouTube video titles or description.